Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you feel today? Are you feel happy? Mad? Bad? Bored? Maybe? Well, if you have feel not good today, I will give you some funds. You can watch my video or my video in my channel. It's easy to find me. You just need to search or type my name in the box search in YouTube. Just Fitria Husaeni, DWIFITRIALHUSAENI, like that. And you can enter to my channel YouTube and you watch my video. And if you watch my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification, and don't forget to share my video to your friend. Okay, before I will start my video, I will ask about something to you, because I remember if this the final or the last period of the semester in study. So I will ask you, have you finished your final exam in your school? If me, I have finished my exam, alhamdulillah. I hope I will get a good score for my exam. So if you have finished your exam, I hope and I will pray to God you can get a good score for your exam. And then if not yet, please keep your spirit to do your exam, and then don't forget to pray to God. And then please study a little hard for study. Well, in order to you have a good score for your exam. Okay. I forget to introduce myself. Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Dwi Fitria Husaeni. I study computer science of education in Indonesia University of Education in Bandung Setiabudi Street. I take campus in there. For now, for this video, I will give you some simple tips for coloring the case handphone. The typical case handphone or handphone case that I use for today, I use a transparent case and it has a white color like this. Is my case handphone. I'm sorry if it's not good. It's so dirty, because it's so for a long time I use it and I feel so bored about this casing. So if when I first time buy it, it's so transparent and will have a white color. And then because of it, I will coloring this casing, and then it can sympathy for you if you have same travel with me. You have what's that type of case like this, and you have feel bored about this type of case because this have no much color or not have what's that good design. Yeah, because this a simple design like this. It's like a transparent color, not have. And I'm sorry if it. Oh my god. And for now, I will coloring this case or this type of case. So let's coloring this case and make this case more beautiful and have a look amazing or special looking. Let's begin. Hello. Okay, let's begin. Oh yeah, before I start coloring this case, I have washed this case. Look this. I use soap and then baking soda for wash my case, because before I wash my case is so dirty and I don't like, so I wash it. For now, I will explain about the material or ingredients we use for coloring this case. First, case transparent white color. And then with this, okay, I have one container. This is used for hot water. Okay, and then I have a salt. For next, wow, I have hot water. This hot water is more important. We use hot water. And then it's more important, we use the name crepe pepper. This for coloring or for give color for our case handphone. In this session, I just use one color, is a blue, because I don't know, I just want to use blue because my handphone the color is blue, so I will match my color and case and my case, so I use blue crepe pepper. But if you want to choose the other color, it's depend on you. But you want to choose pink, yellow, purple as the other. But in this session, I just use one color, is blue. Okay, for the first step, because I have been choose the color of the crepe pepper, I will prepare the container or the bowl like this, and then I will put the what's this, hot water to the container. Please carefully. Okay, this finished. After that, I will dip the crepe pepper to this hot water. I will cut this crepe pepper before I dip to this hot water. I use so many crepe pepper because I want to, what is that? I want to have a color is more rising as the sponge, and we can stir this crepe pepper. But you can look, the color is out. Okay, it's good. Step, I will dip the salt. This is a salt. You can look this. I just dip 1 teaspoon of salt. You can look this. Yeah, I will dip to this container of hot water. I stir it again. Now, this is a reason why I use hot water. Because if you use hot water, the color of crepe pepper is defaults quickly, and the salt too. So it's more important we use hot water. It's finished stir it. You can look, the color is blue. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, for this last step, you can dip your case handphone, and in this step, you can use your creativity. You can dip all of the case to the coloring water, or you can dip just a half of the case to the colored water. But for now, I want coloring full of my case. Okay, I will dip it like this. Okay, let's wait 5 minutes to this case, and then must be patient to wait it because it's need several time for coloring the case. Okay, this have been 5 minutes, so I will leave the cap from the container of the hot water or the colored water, so we can look the result. Okay, this is the result. How? You can look this. The what's that? The color of the cast is different with before I colored it. It's a different. Yes. It's look good, you know? Yeah, I think it's good. It's amazing and so beautiful. Okay, see you in next my video. Please don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share the video. Bye bye.